welcome back to another video.
Today we're going to the mall.
She can't wait to tell y'all. We always going to the mall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this time I have my fake phone.
Yeah, we're just trying to get out of the house. I will pick up the camera.
I go show everybody my new my headshot.
Did you show them your healing arm? Because remember last time, y'all, I told y'all that Legend had to get had a burn and he had a skin graft. Yeah. It's doing good. It's doing fine. It's all healed up.
And this is fine.
Yep, that's the update on Legend. We have to get his garment, his compression sleeve for it so that it can flatten out. But
I was getting milkshakes from the mall.
Right.
And we're going to go on the playground.
But yeah, y'all, I'm just hopping on here. I feel like I have vlogged a couple times at the mall, but y'all, this is just what these kids like to do, so
yeah.
That's what we're doing today.
The most thing I like to do at the mall is make Build-A-Bears.
Right.
And the most thing I love to do is go to Chick-fil-A.
You like Chick-fil-A?
At the mall.
But yeah, y'all, that's what we're doing today. I'm not sure if we're doing anything else. We're just gonna take them to the mall, chill out, let them play, eat, and all that. I'm gonna hop back on here when we get there.
Supersonic, what have you been?
You done brought them in here for it.
Sonic. Sonic? What is...
I don't know why someone went to that grade. Wow.
Not it. This game is probably 1,000 views. Mommy, look how small this thing is.
Y'all, these popcorn are a 10 out of 10. Oh, Lord. Ooh. Hey guys, I don't know what day this is of the vlog. Like, I probably have not picked up my camera in like over 2 weeks. I think the last part was when I was at the mall, but here we are like 2 weeks later. But that's okay, that's okay. But today we are going to the beach with my family. We're gonna meet them all there and have a great time. Before we do that, I think that we are trying this taco spot that Shad really wanted to take me to, that he thought is just to die for, and I hope it is because I'm super hungry. But yeah, we're gonna do that. I think we're gonna do that first. Probably gonna go try that out first, or maybe after the beach. I don't know. So y'all are gonna see that. Yeah, really excited. It is Sunday FUNDAY. Look at Lauren peeking in the corner. She look well, I wouldn't say she looked crazy. I just took her braids out last night, so her hair all crinkly, and she wanted to wear it like that, which is fine because, you know, when the kids go to the beach, they're gonna be all in that sand, and I'm gonna have to wash her hair anyway, so she might as well rock out. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna get back on here when we get to the taco place. I'm not sure we're going to the taco place first, or are we going to the beach first. I know all my family is on their way. My aunt is probably already at the beach, and my sisters are on their way. So yeah, I don't know. When I get back on here, I guess we'll see that. But I'm pretty sure we're gonna get something to eat first. But yeah. So we are here at the taco place that Shot recommended. Why is it so crusty right here? Is that jam?
Get me another soda, huh?
Look at Legend. Legend has his a compression sleeve on. Look at Shot. Shot don't never want to be on here no more. She in a better mood, y'all, since her daddy replaced the $2 out. You gonna tell him that she needs to the beach?
Glass or not?
You gonna show them your pretty hair? Look at her hair, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the food when they get here. Actually, it's really not that hot, but survive. I hope y'all ain't see my toes because it is not bad.
You just got me in a...
I shine so bright, you might go blind, blind, blind. When I walk through, they close their blinds. I'm gonna show off, I know it's time. I am my price, don't it look nice? You look nice, don't you? I bet we could roll out. When I show up, I'ma show out. Didn't know then, but I know now. Best kept secret, but you know now. Take a look what I started. Know it right when I found it. Eyes on me 'cause I got it. I got it. Do what I want, it's my party. I just answer my calling. They all up 'cause I got it. I got it. I got it, yeah. I got it, yeah. I got it, yeah. I got it. I got it, yeah. I got it, yeah. I got it, 'cause I got it. My code different in this life. All eyes on me, that's what I like. Yeah.
Hey guys, it is the next day, and
Mommy, I can't hear.
I'm sorry, I'm vlogging. Is that okay? It is the next day, and I'm just meaning to close the vlog out yesterday, but it was a long day, a lit day with my family. It was so much fun. Then I had to come home and wash Lauren's hair because she had a head full of sand. Hence why I let her wear her hair out, because I knew she would. But yeah, I said I'll hop back on here the next day to close it out. And yeah, so we're here. I hope, wait, I'm talking crazy. I hope you all enjoyed the vlog. My next one is a haul because I did receive my things. I think I said on the last vlog that I ordered some stuff, but I did receive some of my things. So yeah, the next one will be a haul. I think the next one, I don't know, but I'm gonna have a haul coming up soon. Also,
Mommy.
that's it. I think I'm having a little brain fog.
Mommy. I just had a tie.
You had a time? What you want to say to the vlog?
Nothing. I just got to play.
He said nothing. Let's not mind my shirt. I swear it's clean. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.
Too.